volume strength of H2O2. H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide. This is a special case of concentration method. This we mostly are using for H2O2. So we are going to be express here strength or concentration of H2O2 in terms of oxygen, how much they are liberated. So they provided here definition also we can see. It is the volume of O2 is given out at STP on heating 1N H2O2 solution. It is also called the strength of H2O2 in terms of available oxygen. So see whatever they given, we can try to explain clearly. So we can take here H2O2. I'm assuming this is we are taking 1 liter. You can get here 2H2O plus O2. This is I'm taking 2 moles of H2O2. 2 mole nothing but 2 into 34 grams. How much I'm getting? This is 1 mole, nothing but here 22.4 liters. Because I'm calculating here at STP conditions, keep in mind. So suppose this is 1 mole. What is the weight of 1 mole? Nothing but 34 grams. I can get here half mole, this is 11.2 liters of O2. So 1 mole per liter nothing but molarity, that is I can take here 1 mole is I'm taking 1 liter of solution. 1 mole nothing but you can say mole per liter nothing but molarity. Is it correct? So molarity equal to number of moles by V liters. So you can get here molarity equal to how many moles here? 34 grams nothing but 1 mole. So you can write 1 by 1 liter nothing but 1 m you will get. Clear? Otherwise if you are taking this is half mole, that's equal to here. How much will get, sir? How much expected? 17 grams. This is nothing but 1 by 4 mole indirectly. This is nothing but 5.6 liters of O2 will get. So this is 17 grams. I hope you know normality formula. You can get here normality equal to given weight by gram equivalent weight into 1 by V liters. So you can express here N equal to how much weight here? 17 grams. Equivalent weight of H2O2 also 17 into 1 by liters. You can get expected here 1 normality. So this is 1 mole. When 1 mole is this is 34 grams, that is 1 molarity also you can take. That's nothing but 11.2 liters. Here 17 grams equal to, I can write 1 normal also, that providing 5.6 liters. Here 1 molarity providing how much? 11.2 liters. Is clear? So otherwise we can see here 17 grams. This is 1 liter of solution. We know strength of solution 17 gram per liter, sir. That is the strength of solution unit. I can express here strength of solution 17 gram per liter, nothing but 5.6 liters of O2 only we are getting here. It's clear? So next you can see W by V percent also we can express here. Here 17 grams per 1 liter means I'm going to write very clearly here 1000 ml they contain 17 grams. If 100 ml how much they contain we can calculate, sir. Here how much you can expect here? That's nothing but here I can express X equal to 17 into 10 by 1000. This you can get 1.7 grams. So again same thing 1.7 grams nothing but W by V percent. This is because we are expressing weight per 100 ml means nothing but percentage. That's also equal to 5.6 liters of O2. Very clearly mentioned, you can check it here. I'm going to be calculated here for 17 grams per liter. That is nothing but strength of solution. You can use that is strength of solution. So I mentioned all these concentrations methods we discussed my previous videos. You can check it very clearly. You can understand. So now I'm going to write one small conclusion here. 1 by 1.7 W by V percent, nothing but 1 normal, or you can write 0.5 molarity also you can write, sir, or nothing but 17 gram per liter strength of solution. Everything is equal to, I can write 5.6 liters of O2. of O2 or 8 grams of O2 that releases 8 grams of O2. 1 by 4 mole nothing but 8 grams only. So this is the basic relation we need to remember, or you may can derive that one. That's up to you. Clear? So generally they are going to be asking questions by giving volume. This is nothing but volume strength. How much oxygen they provide? There is nothing but volume strength. Volume strength. So they will provide volume strength. They may can ask normality or molarity or W by V % or strength of solution. Anything they may can ask that one. So otherwise they will provide normality. Then they may can ask here strength of solution. That normality also they will provide in terms of titrations. We see that end of this video, we can discuss with respect to one titration question, then how to calculate this strength of solution or W by V %, everything we may can get. And one more here, volume strength is there, one more point. That's you can remember directly here, volume strength of H2O2 equal to volume strength of H2O2 into volume of H2O2 equal to volume of O2 at STP. Volume of O2 at STP. So this is the another relation which is we required to solving problems. So I will give that meaning also with one example. Suppose I am taking here 10 ml of 10 ml 10 volume 10 ml 10 volume H2O2. They mention that is meaning 10 volume H2O2 meaning that is, or 10 ml they mention or 10 liters they mention, that depends upon that is okay. 1 ml of H2O2 will give 10 ml of O2. 10 volume meaning I am giving sir here. 10 volume meaning I am giving here 10 volume H2O2 means 1 ml H2O2 will give 10 ml of O2. Then 10 ml of 10 volume means 1 ml give 10 ml means 10 ml gives how much? And X equal to will get 10 into 10. That's nothing but 100. This is the O2 sir which we are getting. So volume strength is this is 10 volume. Okay. Volume of H2O2 is this is the term 10. 10 into 10. That's nothing but 100. So one more example I am giving. Please look into here. Suppose here given 20 volume of H2O2. This meaning I am writing 1 liter of H2O2 will releases 20 liters of O2. If you are taking ml, you can write ml. So volume meaning, that's wherever they mention volume, that meaning you have to keep in mind. 10 ml of 10 volume meaning I am writing here. Above formula how to use I am going to be right here. Volume strength is the 10. ml of H2O2 is this is. Just you are multiplying, you will get volume of H2O2. Here simply they given just 20 volume H2O2, meaning 1 liter of H2O2 will provide 20 liters of O2. Okay. If they mention 5 liter of 20 volume H2O2 means you have to multiply 5 into 20, then you will get complete volume. Please listen again, you may can recheck that is listen 2 times, you may can get. Here question they given 10 ml of H2O2 liberated 12.7 grams of iodine from an acidic KI solution. Calculate the molarity and normality and percentage strength they given. So whatever they given, we are applying very simple formula. Gn of 1 equal to here H2O2 I am taking. Gn of H2O2 equal to Gn of I2. Very simple formula I'm using here. So Gn means you can write that is normality into volume. This should be liters, supposed to be liters. Then this is equal to given weight by gram equivalent weight, because they mention weight, that's why I'm taking. So you may can write here normality, I don't know, volume is 10 by 1000, I can write to convert into liters. Then you can get here 12.7 by equivalent weight of I2, already you know that one, sir, iodometric titration 2, that is already we mentioned very clearly. Okay, even we may can see, check here, I2 plus, whenever I2 converted into I minus, so here 0 1 minus 1, this is, then difference is 1, change in oxidation number, but 2 iodines is there, into 2 you will get 2. My previous videos I clearly mentioned how to calculate n factor also. So this is 12.7. Iodine atomic mass is 127, sir. Iodine atomic mass. So I can write weight by, okay, 1 iodine atomic mass is 127. 2 iodine atomic mass is how much, sir? I think so 254. Molecular weight is 254 by n factor is 2. By solving this is you will get 10 power, how much will get? Calculate, please calculate it. Normality equal to, finally you can get here n equal to, I'm writing, sir, n equal to, this will be cancelled, then I can write here this is 2 times 127, then we make and write this is 0.1 into 100, nothing but 100 into 0.1, because this is 127, this is directly 0.1, so I'll get 10. So normality, once I got normality equal to 10, but I know that one normal equal to 5.6 liters of O2, because I mentioned very clearly here, that's you need to remember, 5.6 liters of O2, sir, one normality equal to. So then you can calculate here 10 normal equal to how much you will get. Clear? How much will O2 you will get, sir? Here X you can write nothing but 10 into 5.6, 56 liters. If they're asking volume, if you know normality very clearly, 10 normality, and then molarity, how much? Normality equal to molarity into, sorry, here they mention very clearly, 1 normal, then how much, sir? This is 0.5. Again you can apply this formula also, no issue. N factor, n factor of H2O is 2, sir. N factor of H2O is 2. I am giving here very clearly, you may can check it, half O2. Here minus 1 is the oxidation number because of peroxide, and this is 0 oxidation number oxygen. Minus 1 to 0 means change is 1. And how many oxygens here? 2. That's why into 2 I will get 2. N factor is 2. Then molarity equal to normality by n factor. Normality is 10, n factor is 2. 5 is the molarity. Next, percentage strength, if you need to calculate, 1 normality equal to, this is third one, sir. This is first, second, third one. I think so ABC I mentioned, we can see. 1 normal equal to 1.7 W by V percentage strength. Then 10 normal equal to how much? You can write 17 W by V percent. This is the H2O2, clearly I mentioned with example. If you need my previous videos, you may can check it. CDR Sir Chemistry is the chemistry channel name, my YouTube channel name, you may can find out. If you like this, please subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.